jumper, sweater. I'm wearing a warm jumper. Cardigan, cardigan. She has a red cardigan. Coat, coat. I wear a coat in the winter. Snowsuit, snowsuit. My snowsuit is very warm. Boots, boots. My boots are heavy and brown. Wellies, rain boots. I wear wellies in the rain. Trousers, pants. He's wearing smart trousers. Waistcoat, vest. In winter, I like to wear my waistcoat. Hoodie, hoodie. We always wear our hoodies. Thermal underwear, long johns. She wears thermal underwear in the mountains. Earmuffs, earmuffs. Earmuffs keep my ears warm. Scarf, scarf. I wear a scarf when it's cold. Woolly hat, beanie. He wears a woolly hat in the snow. Gloves, gloves. She's wearing warm gloves. Mittens, mittens. Children like wearing mittens. What do you like to wear in winter? Remember to like and subscribe for more vocabulary videos. Okay, bye-bye.